To stream OBS to Zoom, first of all go to your OBS and then we have to add sources. So click on this plus icon and here I'm going to adding my display capture. So here's I've added my display and I'm going to add my audio source also. So go ahead and add your sources in OBS first of all, and after that just click on start virtual camera and then go to your Zoom and click on your profile photo, or just click on the settings option. Here go to video and camera, select here OBS virtual camera and then just close these settings pop up. Now all you have to need join to a meeting, and here as you can see I've successfully started to stream my OBS on my Zoom meeting. That's it.